Hello friends, welcome to technoboost. In previous videos, we have seen create toolbar panel, modify toolbar panel and constraint toolbar panel. In this video, we will see pattern toolbar panel. Let's start. There are two types of pattern in Inventor, rectangular pattern and circular pattern, and one more, mirror. Draw one rectangle. Suppose this is a 500 and this is a 300. Draw one circle and give its dimension. Suppose this is 50 and this is 250. And diameter of 20. Make it 50. To edit any dimension, double click on it. Okay. Let's see rectangular pattern. Select geometry whose pattern is required. Then direction 1. Click on this arrow. Then select direction. If you want to reverse the direction, click on this flip. How many pattern you want? Enter here. Suppose 5. And its center distance. Suppose it's 50. 75. Then click OK. You can see this is center distance. To edit this pattern, select entity, then pattern icon, right click and edit pattern. Here you can change its center distance and number of pattern required. Okay. Suppose if you want to skip any pattern, select it, right click and suppress elements. Rectangular pattern, direction 1, so 5, 75, direction 2, 75 and 3. Click OK. Okay. Rectangular pattern. Click on this arrow. You can see both two options, associative and fit. Select geometry. Then direction 1. Flip the direction, enter 5, center distance 75. If you want to suppress any pattern, then click on suppress and select. Click OK. Now these two patterns are suppressed. Let's see fit. Select geometry, give direction. In how much distance do we want pattern? Suppose in 400 mm you want 5 patterns. Okay, total distance 400 mm and you need 5 patterns, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Click OK. You can see total center distance, first and last 400 mm and total pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's see circular pattern. Draw one circle having diameter 1000 mm. Draw one more circle. Use vertical to make the center and origin coincident to each other in a vertical direction. Then give dimension. Suppose this is 120 and at 375 center distance. Okay, let's see circular pattern. Select geometry, then axis. For axis, select any geometry or any circular geometry or point. Then enter how many pattern you want and total angle. Click OK. Let's see in more details. Circular pattern, select geometry, click on axis, then select axis. Suppose you want in 180 degree angle and total 6 patterns. If you want to reverse the direction, flip it. Okay, you can see 180 degree angle and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 patterns. And click OK. Ctrl Z, circular pattern. Same option as rectangular pattern. Select geometry, then axis. What if you want to continuous pattern at 45 degree? Let's see. Untick fit and enter 45. Now these two continuous patterns have 45 degree angle. Click OK. I will show you. You can see it's 45. Okay. If you want to change the angle or edit dimension, double click on it and enter 30. You can see it's changed. Ctrl Z, circular, select geometry, select axis. If you want to suppress any pattern, click on suppress and select it and click OK. Okay, let's see mirror. Makes it center line or construction line. Okay, mirror is useful when sketch is symmetric to its center axis. Click mirror, then select lines or entities, then select mirror line, apply, done. You can see. If you click on any entity, you can see it's symmetric constraint. Okay, practice it. From next video we will start exercise. Thank you. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.